In today's XRP update, I need to talk about a specific signal that is right now flashing that a lot of bullish momentum could be imminent for XRP. I want to talk about this and a lot of important metrics that you need to be aware of right now if you are invested in XRP or in the crypto market. So guys, without any further ado, don't forget to like the video if you appreciate this content, and let's get straight into it. So a few hours ago, I posted XRP bullish MACD cross imminent. This is XRP's 3-day time frame, which means that every candlestick here is 3 days. And what you can see down below is that we are getting very close here to a bullish crossover on the moving averages of the MACD. The MACD basically shows us whether there is bullish or bearish momentum. Do understand that the MACD is a lagging indicator, but these moving averages are indicating that a bullish crossover could be imminent. And the last few times that we had such a bullish crossover, that was very bullish for the price of XRP, and we saw a lot of upside in the following days and weeks. And also roughly a year ago in November 2024, we also had such a bullish crossover on the 3-day MACD for XRP, and that led to a 500% rally. So yeah, this is definitely a signal to pay very close attention to if you are currently holding XRP. Another interesting metric to look at is to see what holders, people who held XRP for the past 1 to 2 years and 2 to 3 years are right now doing. And basically since the beginning of this month, or you could say since the end of October, they sold pretty large amounts of XRP, because if you focus on this green area, which represents the 2 to 3 year XRP holders, you can see that their balance went down pretty significantly. And also if we focus on the 1 to 2 year XRP holders, their balance went down significantly as well. So yeah, these people sold massive amounts of XRP in the past month. They're not necessarily whales, but these are people that held XRP for at least 1 to 2 years, and yeah, they sold XRP. And I think that this is a pretty bad time to sell XRP, because as we know, tomorrow QT ends, basically quantitative tightening, and Jerome Powell is also going to speak about this. So yeah, this could lead to massive volatility. And we do know since the last time that quantitative tightening ended, crypto pretty much went parabolic eventually. Not right away, but you can see had you held XRP for a few more months after QT ended here in 2019, it led to a significant bull run in 2020 for XRP, especially the moment when they introduced quantitative easing very aggressively. So as you can see right now, QT ends literally tomorrow on the 1st of December. So yeah, is history gonna repeat here for crypto, for risk on assets? I think there is a pretty high probability that the next few weeks, next few months could be very fruitful for every crypto holder. So personally, I think that this is a pretty bad moment to exit the market. There's also still extreme fear, as you know. There is very few retail participation, so not the best time to do that in my personal opinion. And guys, if you're looking for an exchange to use to buy or to trade your crypto on, I would highly recommend to use Phemex, AscendEX or BLOFIN. If you go down below in today's video description, then you will find my specific referral links. And with my referral links, you will be eligible for huge welcome bonuses on these exchanges, as well as the cheapest trading fees in the industry, but only valid with my links down below. So check it out. This is definitely worth it and can save you a lot of transaction fees over time. So definitely a huge benefit over there. And for those of you interested in learning everything about technical analysis, if you want to improve on your TA, if you want to learn everything about TradingView, then click the first link in today's video description, because I put out a new technical analysis course which is called Chart Like a Pro. And if you click this first link, you will get directed to this Patreon page where you can basically purchase my course. And yeah, as you can see right now, there's still a huge discount going on. This is literally the last day. Tomorrow this discount will disappear. So yeah, this is your chance to grab it for a way lower price. You can also check out the preview first before purchasing this course if you want to know more about it. But yeah, I put a lot of effort into this. I teach you everything about technical analysis. I teach you exactly how to spot trading, investing opportunities. So check it out if you're interested. First link down below in the video description. The next chart that I want to show you here is on XRP's weekly time frame. I made you aware of this metric several times on the channel, but I'm going to do it once more because it's a significant metric. Down below, we have the stochastic RSI on XRP's weekly time frame, which is right now, as you can see, significantly oversold. And the last few times that we were this oversold, XRP rallied significantly to the upside, as you can see on this chart. So yeah, this is, in my opinion, once again, guys, a huge opportunity. Not the time to exit this market. Of course, I can't give you financial advice, but yeah, pay close attention. Yesterday, I also made you aware that QNT looked very bullish. It was trading around $19 back then. It broke above the daily EMA ribbons, and as you can see, it looks like this rally for QNT is gonna continue to the upside. So a lot of bullish momentum over there, a lot of buying pressure, and you can see that the last few times when we had a similar break above the daily EMA ribbons, that led to significant gains for QNT or Quant. So if you're interested in that, definitely study this chart very closely. And if we look at XRP's cost-based distribution heat map, then we can see that a lot of supply of XRP was bought between 244 and 246 in the short term. Almost 1.8 billion XRP was bought around that range. So yeah, that range could provide resistance for XRP going forward. And right now, if we focus on the short term, then you can see that XRP reclaimed a very important level, which previously provided huge resistance for support for XRP. We fell below this level, and right now we reclaimed this level. We're consolidating. This looks like a bull pennant for XRP, and at some point I do expect possible continuation of this trend, most likely to the upside for XRP. Of course, not guaranteed. It is very crucial that XRP holds above, I would say, $2.14. That's the line in the sand. Also, if we enable the EMA ribbons on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that XRP is currently holding nicely above the ribbons, which is a sign of strength. It shows a lot of bullish momentum, but we want to avoid any break below, I would say, the region between 216 and 214 for XRP, as that could trigger continuation to the downside. So pay close attention to that. Also, make sure to follow me over on Instagram, because I'm posting a lot of other crypto content over there, which I'm not posting on YouTube, because yeah, it's simply way easier for me to upload on Instagram multiple times a day. So follow me over there if you're interested. Official link down below. I also have a Telegram. That link is also down below. For now, I want to thank you all for watching. For the support, of course. See you very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.